Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your Motorola Moto G45. So first, let's unlock the phone. Now after unlocking it, let's go over. And the first step is to adjust the media and the call volume on the settings app. So go to sounds and vibration right here. Now here we have the media volume and the call volume, and make sure to turn it all the way up, so just like that. And now after that, what you guys want to do is disable the do not disturb mode. It's right up here. Make sure to disable it. It can also cause the low volume problem. And after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills and either the headphone port, whatever your issue is, then simply clean it. You need to clean the speaker grills and everything that's at the bottom. So at the bottom we have the headphone jack and 3 speaker grills. So now after cleaning it with either a soft brush or a compressed air, then what you guys can do is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So we need to go over to the settings, the main page. Now scroll down until we see the system updates. Now here, click on check for updates, and as you guys can see, everything looks good for me. I'm running the latest version of my software, and that's how it should look for you too. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.